Halika, unboxing tayo. Hashtag halika unboxing tayo season 6, episode 2. Week 3 pa rin tayo, it's a Sunday. Ito, merong isang dumating. Shoutout dun sa kaibigan ko dyan sa Maryland. Ayan, nanalo ang Washington Commanders. Sana bumalik na yung ibalik nila sa pangalang Redskins ulit. Diba? Shoutout. IB. Noel Arsigal. Panalo. Siyempre, meron tayong mga resibo. Resibo. Hindi galing sa tubo. Okay. First bunot. Los Angeles Kings 950 A-frame. Side patch. Ano siya? D-line. Silver tapos may white lining. 950 A-frame.
NHL nga ba yan?
NHL. NHL. 950 A-frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Los Angeles 718. World Series 1981.
Como.
Two-tone Como. Cooperstown Collection. Oh, Hot Club exclusive. Galing US to. Hot Club. 718 Raiders. Draft 1998. Oh, ayos to. Throwbacks. Another LA. 7N18. Side patch. Tapos natin itong ating mga palamig. Old school. New York, New York. Black 7N1 port. Pirates, oh, parang kamakalwa lang may Pirates tayo. At, uy, meron tayong Phillies. Philadelphia Phillies. Tracker 950. Tracker. Phillies. Ganda na kulay. Okay, that's it for our unboxing. We are still on week 3. It's a Sunday. And thank you for watching. Please check our Facebook page, The Cap Interchange. At please like and subscribe dun sa YouTube channel namin. And until next unboxing, peace out. 1, 2 hits in 1 week.